Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can find hidden apps on your iPhone and iPad in iOS 16. So let's get started the video. Let's get into the video straight. So the first step is you can go to your app library. You can find the apps here. So if there is any hidden apps, so if you are still not uh, finding that app, then you can simply search for the app that you are looking for. And the next step is also uncover hidden app from the home screen page. For that you can hold on to the home screen and click on here, then you will get this page. Make sure that you select this page and you will get this page on home screen. And the next step is you can find the apps by turning off the screen time. So if you have turned on the screen time restriction, go to screen time, you can turn it off and you will get the all hidden apps on the home screen. Also you can click on content and privacy restriction, click on allowed app. So you can also just, if any app is disabled, you can just toggle it on. So once you have done this, and the next step is, and if you're still not getting that apps that you're trying to find, then go to settings, click on general, click on transfer and reset, click on reset, click on reset home screen layout. So once you've done this will factory default the home screen layout and you will get all those apps. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.